Welcome to the TopPick lab. The best Dyson fan filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining the pristine air quality your Dyson purifier is designed to deliver, ensuring that every breath you take is as clean and fresh as possible, making it a crucial investment for any household prioritizing health and comfort. Number 5. Colorfullife Replacement Filter for Dyson TP01 TP02 TP03. Introducing the Colorfullife Replacement Filter, designed to keep your air pure and fresh. It's the perfect solution for maintaining a healthy environment in your home. This filter is engineered for a seamless fit with compatible Dyson tower purifiers, including models TP01, TP02, and TP03. Enjoy effortless installation and optimal performance. Experience superior air purification with our advanced 3-stage filtration system. It effectively captures fine particles, allergens, and odors, ensuring cleaner air for you and your family. Our filter features a H13 true Hepa layer and an activated carbon filter. This powerful combination tackles even the smallest airborne pollutants and neutralizes unpleasant smells. Crafted with FSC-certified paper, this filter is not only effective but also environmentally conscious. You get a high-quality replacement that contributes to a healthier planet. Each package includes 2 filters and a convenient cleaning brush. This ensures you have a replacement ready and can easily maintain your air purifier's performance. We are committed to providing excellent service. If you have any questions or concerns about your replacement filter, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. This filter offers a comprehensive 3-stage filtration system, including a fine pre-filter, H13 true Hepa, and activated carbon. It also comes with a bonus cleaning brush. If you're looking for a value pack that tackles particles and odors effectively, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want a complete cleaning solution right out of the box. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively captures dust and allergens, improving air quality. The fan runs quieter with the new filter installed. Number 4. TP04 Replacement Filter for Dyson HP04 TP04 DP04 TP05 DP05. This premium replacement filter is specifically designed for your Dyson Pure Hot Plus Cool HP04, Pure Cool TP04, Pure Cool DP04, TP05, and DP05 models. Ensure you have one of these compatible models before ordering. Please be aware that this filter is not compatible with Dyson models TP01, TP02, TP07, HP07, HP01, HP02, HP09, DP01, DP02, TP10, HP10, or any PH model series like PH04, PH03, PH3A, PH02, PH01. Double-check your model number before purchasing. Installation is simple. When installing the carbon filter, ensure the buckle side faces upward. After installation, you'll need to reset the machine to recognize the new filter. Follow the specific reset instructions for the carbon and Hepa filters. Experience superior air purification with our dual-layer filtration system. The Hepa filter captures 99.7% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, while the activated carbon filter effectively tackles unpleasant odors and gases. These filters are crafted with Hepa and environmental protection materials, perfectly fitting your Dyson purifier. We recommend replacing your filter every 12 months, or as needed, for optimal performance. As a professional brand, we stand by our products. If you encounter any quality issues, our customer service team is available 24 hours a day to assist you and provide the best possible solution. What we like. This replacement features a dual-layer filtration system, capturing 99.7% of airborne particles and addressing odors. It comes with clear instructions for resetting your Dyson machine after installation. If you own the TP04, HP04, DP04, TP05, or DP05 models and want a filter designed specifically for them with easy setup, this is the one to consider. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly into the Dyson fan. It effectively captures dust and allergens, improving air quality in the room. The fan operates more quietly with the new filter installed. Number 3. TP01 Hepa Air Filter Replacement, 2-pack. Ensure optimal performance with our replacement filters, specifically designed for Dyson TP01, TP02, TP03, AM11, and BP01 tower purifiers. They seamlessly replace part number 968126-03. Experience cleaner air with our 3-in-1 filtration system. It includes a fine pre-filter, a true Hepa filter, and an activated carbon filter to capture particles and odors. Our Hepa filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, delivering fresh and purified air for your home. The activated carbon filter effectively absorbs common household odors from cooking, pets, smoke, and VOCs, making it ideal for any living space. Replacing the filter is quick and tool-free. For optimal performance, replace it every 6 to 12 months and remember to reset the filter indicator by holding the button for 6 seconds. Please verify your air purifier model before purchasing. These filters are not compatible with Dyson HP or DP series, or models like TP04, TP07, TP09, and others listed. What we like. This filter boasts a 3-stage Hepa filtration system that effectively captures fine particles and absorbs odors from pets, cooking, and smoke. It's designed for easy, tool-free installation and replacement. If you're a pet owner, a smoker, or live in a city and need to combat common household smells and allergens, this filter is a practical solution. What people say. The fan is very quiet and the air quality has improved significantly. Easy to install and the air purifier works great. Number 2. TP01 Hepa Replacement Filter 2-pack. Ensure your air purifier is always working at its best. This replacement filter is designed to be compatible with several Dyson Tower purifier models, including TP01, TP02, TP03, AM11, and BP01. It's a direct replacement for part number 968126-03. Before you order, please double-check your air purifier's model number. This filter is specifically for the models mentioned and is not compatible with TP4B, TP07, HP02, DP01, or other listed Dyson models. You can find the model number on your machine's label. Breathe easier with our advanced Hepa filter. It captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, creating a cleaner and fresher environment for your family. It's especially beneficial for households with pets or new mothers. Beyond dust, this filter features an activated carbon layer. It effectively traps larger particles like pet fur and lint, while also absorbing common household odors and fumes from smoke, cooking, and VOCs. Replacing your filter is quick and easy. For optimal performance, we recommend changing it every 6 to 12 months, depending on usage. It's a simple step to keep your air purifier running efficiently. After installation, resetting the filter indicator is straightforward. Simply press and hold the standby on-off button on your remote for 6 seconds. This ensures you always know when it's time for the next replacement. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues with the filter fitting your air purifier, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help ensure a great experience with our product. What we like. This filter captures 99.97% of airborne particles and effectively absorbs odors and fumes, making it great for pet owners and those sensitive to smells. It also includes a straightforward method to reset the filter indicator. If you prioritize clean air, have pets, or are concerned about lingering odors, this filter provides a reliable and easy-to-maintain solution. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly. It effectively removes dust and allergens from the air, making a noticeable difference in air quality. The fan operates much quieter with the new filter installed. Number 1. 2-pack TP04 HP04 DP04 Replacement Hepa Filter. Ensure a perfect fit for your Dyson air purifier fan models TP04, HP04, DP04, TP05, and DP05. This replacement is designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing unit. Experience superior air purification with our dual-layer filtration system. It effectively captures 99.7% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, while the activated carbon filter tackles unpleasant odors. Crafted from high-quality Hepa and environmental protection materials, these filters offer lasting performance. You'll receive 2 sets of Hepa filters and 2 sets of activated carbon filters for extended use. Installation is straightforward. Remember to place the buckle side on top for the carbon filter. After installation, reset the filter by holding the oscillation button for 5 seconds for the carbon filter, and the night mode button for the Hepa filter. For optimal performance, we recommend replacing your filter every 12 months, or more frequently depending on your usage. This ensures your purifier continues to operate at its best. Our dedicated customer service team is here to assist you. We stand by our products and are committed to providing the best support. Contact us for any quality concerns, and we'll help resolve them. What we like. This option provides a dual-layer filtration system for capturing fine particles and eliminating odors, and it comes in a convenient 2-pack. It also highlights lifetime customer service for peace of mind. If you have the TP04, HP04, DP04, TP05, or DP05 models and want a cost-effective solution with excellent support, this twin pack is an excellent choice for continuous air purification. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly into the Dyson fan. It effectively captures dust and allergens, improving air quality. The fan operates more quietly with the new filter installed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.